So this video is going to show you how to create a community action project page or a CAP page. We're just going to do a really quick run through for you right now so you can see kind of the basics of how to get your CAP page up and running. A CAP page is a great place to showcase your group and your CAP project and the issue that you're working on, and kind of just give website users a quick snapshot of who you are and what you're trying to accomplish. So you're going to sign into the website. You're going to go up to our Manage Content button, which is the way to access the back end of the website. Down your left-hand side, you're going to see there's Add a New CAP. So once you get here, you'll see there's lots of buttons and things to do. So we're going to start by doing English content. You can create French content. There is a French version of the website. We're just going to focus on the English part for today. So you'll see anything with a red asterisk beside it is mandatory information. So you do need to have a title for your CAP page. We're just going to make something up here. Changemakers of BC. You can add a preview image. So a preview image is sort of a shadowed image that shows up behind the title of your CAP page. I'm not going to add an image in this video. You'll see it says add an asset. So we have tons of photos of other people's CAP projects on the website, but only in the back end. So you'll be able to upload your own photos and files, but we're going to save that for a later video. So I'm going to go down here to this body text spot, and you'll see there's a couple of different buttons here. These buttons are going to open up blocks for you to create content. So the purpose for this is that I might here want to create a paragraph heading, for example. So I might say our group, and I want to go in and describe my group, but I want to make the website page look nice and neat. So I can actually format this to be really, really big. So then I might want my next bit of text to be a bit smaller. So I'm going to go back down to these buttons here, and I'm going to add another block of text. So you can see now I have these two different spots. So here I might say, we are change makers living in BC working on our project. And maybe I just want this part to be a little bit bigger. I'm going to now maybe want to talk about our issue. Again, this is a header, so I want to make it really big. And I'm going to add another block of text. And our issue is youth spaces. So maybe lack of youth spaces. That's good enough. So now I have these 4 blocks of text. I can also add a block for an image. Another neat feature that you can do is as you're creating your CAP page or updating your CAP page and you decide you want to reorder content, you can do that by clicking each block. It has 4 little circles. You can click and you can hold, and you can actually drag those blocks and rearrange things. So let's see. Now, I'm starting to wonder, what is this page going to look like while I'm editing? If you go up here to your live preview button, it's actually going to pull up a sample of what your page is going to look like on the website. So you can see I've got my title up here. I didn't have a photo, but the photo would be behind here if it was. I've got my headers, so our group. I have my content. Still looking pretty bare, but this is just a sample. I can continue to edit content on the left-hand side of the screen here and see it as it changes, or I can go back up to the top and close live preview. So another important thing that you're going to want to do for your CAP page is you're going to want to go back up here to tags. So a tag is a place where you can add tactic, for example. So let's say my project is going to be using workshops. I can go ahead and add that tactic. My topic was youth spaces, and I'm in BC. So these tags are really important because what it lets people do is it lets them search certain topics and tactics or provinces and then be able to see that content on the website. So I might be really interested in youth spaces, and if I search youth spaces on the website, I'll be able to see this CAP project, their blog entries, if I've been tagged in blog entries, and it keeps all of that information kind of organized. And so it's really important that we do that. And last but not least, quick info here, we do want to save our CAP page. So once we save that, you'll see that there's one more button, it's enabled. So this means that if I have saved this page, it is now going to be active on the website. However, I might not be done yet, which of course we can see I'm not done yet. So I'm going to click this button, and this disables my CAP page. So that means that it's going to save all of my information, everything I've been working on, but only I can see it from the back end. It's not going to be live on the website. So that's really great if you want to kind of work on it over multiple days, or you want to make sure it's edited before you post it to the website. So that's an awesome feature. And that is a CAP page.